भारतीय वायुसेनेन सोमारा गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीत इंडक्शन पब्लिसिटी प्रदर्शन घडोवन हाडलें. युवा पिळगेक वायुसेनेत वांटेकार जावपाक उर्बा दिवप हो हे मोहिमेचो मुखेल हेत. फ्लायट लेफ्टनंट दया अग्रवालान सांगलें. तशेंच भुरग्यांचो प्रतिसाद खरोच बरो आशिल्लो अशेंय ताणें फुडें सांगलें. पळयात.
Indian Air Force has taken an initiative, like we have launched a IPEV, Induction Publicity Exhibition Vehicle. I, from the side of Indian Air Force, has come to Goa University today with my team. What our main focus is to motivate students, to make them aware how to join us, what all things we have in forces, what type of entries we have, what age criteria they can join in, what different type of entries they can join through, and what all like qualifications they can do and come and join us. Like in the day, what we do, we start with the day with a lecture. In the lecture, we give them all the information. Initially, we'll tell them what the Air Force is, how it was born, what all role it has played, and then we come to the career prospects. We tell them all these things like entries, age. Then there is a vehicle behind me. I told you IPEV. There is a flight simulator inside. You can like virtually fly an aircraft in that. Then you have a dummy wearing a G suit, a flying overalls, like how to fly and what to wear and fly. We have both things inside. We have replicas of the aircrafts. We have metallic replicas, small replicas. We have 3 displays. There are 3 VR sets. So it is just a motivation factors for the students. We have the information counter inside. So it plays as a motivational factor for the students. Like in the starting stage of the lecture, we have only 3% of the volunteers who wants to join forces. After the completion, like when our day ends, it gets like 10 times more. So it is a good thing for us also, like we get more volunteers who wants to join forces. So that is what we are in. The response of the students was amazing. Like they actually want to know how to join and what all things we do, how to fly, what all duties we have, how our entire day goes. So the response was actually good.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सेंट रोजारियो, मनीषा जाधव आनी संगीता ओली.